Good morning, Crazy 8 Gang. All right. Listen, I woke up from a dead sleep to get it. So let's get it. I just did a short and it was so crazy what I pulled from the top. I just came out here, took my rock off. I shuffle before I go to sleep. I came out here, took the top card, and it was something like, what's owed to you will never not come. So I don't know what this is all about, but we're about to find out. I have sage going. Stinky sage. Oh, we got one. Hiding a secret. First card down. Get it. Maybe someone's gonna find out a secret? I don't know. It was so weird. I had to let the dog out. I couldn't get here quick enough. All right, Spirit. Good morning, angels. What's good? What's going on? Give us the brew. I've got a busy day, so let's just get this going. Get it. I can't get it out of my head. What does that mean? What are we getting? What are you guys getting? Expect it, because expectation came out of Kipper. I shuffled on camera during the short. I don't know what possessed me to move all the other cards out of the way and do Kipper and do mine. An expectation came out, and then what's meant for you never passes you by. So whatever that is, you're getting it. Get it. All right. Come on, Spirit. We're here. We're waiting. What do you got for us? Oh, thank you. Okay. Took the L's, the lessons and the losses. You came back, you made it. Ooh, okay. So I'm already getting a story already off the get. Somebody took the L's, the lessons, the losses, you learned. And you came back. And Spirit's saying, you made it, man. You made it. I don't know what this hiding a secret's all about. Let's see if we can get some more cards to... Wow. Okay, let's see. I'm going to see what I see, and then I'm going to put them away. Support is near. Buckle up, cup. You're going to be very busy. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put those back and see what comes out. So someone here is going to be busy. Getting it. Get it. That's what I kept hearing. Buckle up. And whatever this is, your angels, your guides, the universe is supporting it. So you're going to make it. You're going to make it, man. Woo! All right. Anything else? Anything else? We got one not wanting to go in. You were misjudged. Ooh. And maybe that's the secret. Perhaps that's the secret. Let's pull on Kipper. Let's see if anything wants to come out. I have to make this short and sweet. Oh, nope, we're not taking it. I didn't see it, so short and sweet. Ooh. Man, that sage stinks. Oh, thank you, Spirit. Concern. Oh, you know what I just realized that says on support is near? You closed out a cycle. You see that? I didn't see that when I first pulled it. You closed out the cycles of whatever this is, and you took the L's. All right. I want to say good for you. Now buckle up because you're about to be busy. Thank you. Great fortune. I can't make it up. Great fortune. Which is bringing me back to get it, get it, get it. I'm telling you, man. Better, stronger, wiser. 5959. That's the card of the week. Butterfly experience. Oh my gosh. Great fortune down on the ground. Buckle up. You're about to be busy. But you got support near. And you took the L's. And you're going to get it, get it, get it. Whoever you are, if you're new, welcome. Hi. Whatever you're doing, you're going after it, man. Good. Ooh, we got a dropper. Kipper's not done. Sudden wealth. Oh my God. Great fortune. Sudden wealth. 11. We got 33 out here, 26 and 11. Somebody's getting into, hey, you're going to get what's owed to you, all right? Woo! This is a good reading this morning. Buckle up. You're about to be busy. Woo. Courthouse. This could have to do with an inheritance. Somebody could be getting this sudden wealth from an inheritance. Support is near. You made it. Someone also could be concerned about this. And that could be the secret they're hiding. They're trying to keep it from you. Maybe Spirit's saying to them, buckle up. Because you took the L's. And you came back and you made it. Woo! Oh my God. This is out of control. I'm very hot right now. I don't know why I suddenly got hot and very excited. So this could be how you're gonna feel. And this person in concern could be the same person that misjudged you. The same person that hid a secret from you. Oh, dear me. Anything else? Anything else? You know what I want to get? I think I want to get an... Yes. Kipper says one more. Unexpected income. You guys, I cannot make this up. You got Great Fortune. That's 3 Kipper cards coming out about money. Great Fortune. Unexpected income. Sudden wealth. We got 11, 27, 26. The 3 cards that were money. They could be important to you. Those numbers, I don't know. Maybe something in November with the 11. Like November 26th, November 27th. I don't know. Woo! But Spirit's saying, buckle up. And you may be getting it from them because support is near. You made it. That's where I'm leaving it. You took the L's. Good job. I am going to name this, I don't know, took the L's. I love you all. Have a great Saturday. This was an awesome reading. I feel it like in my bones. For whoever you are, if you're new, welcome. If you're not, hey, hey. I said a nice prayer in my journal last night. Today is the, what's the moon? Snow moon. So you could be feeling effects from that. That I posted in my community what it's all about, okay? I love you all. I got to go. Mwah! Good luck, whoever you are.